secure uranium zones after regime collapse. Attached to the messages were payment logs showing $4.6 million in wire transfers routed through offshore accounts in the Cayman Islands and Dubai, flagged with aliases used by Ivorian defense operatives. Worse still, a detailed map, not of Burkina Faso's terrain, but of Traore's personal movements. It included his flight schedules, known safe houses, AES command posts, even his mother's rural home, marked in red ink with the word leverage. This wasn't random violence. This was an assassination plot, surgically planned, with the clear goal of regime change. Traore's inner circle stared at the evidence in disbelief. Their worst fear was now reality. Someone in Ivory Coast was trying to finish what France could not. They cross-referenced the phone data with known Ivorian intelligence signatures. 3 names matched. One of them was a senior official in Ouattara's National Security Council. That night, AES military intelligence compiled the file under a codename of their own. Operation Couper la Main, cut the hand. And at its center, they placed a photograph. Grainy, satellite captured. It showed a private jet parked on a secluded airstrip near Abidjan, and next to it, a foreign man unloading crates of weapons. The caption read, "Unidentified mercenary asset linked to Western contractor." The evidence was explosive, and it was only the beginning. They thought they were invisible, operating in shadows, untraceable, untouchable. But they didn't count on one thing.